Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zekis and in today's video, we will talk about how to hide and disable Zimbra index from search engines. What happens here is that your mailbox, etc. gets indexed in search engines. So how do you disable it from here so that it doesn't get indexed? So what is the problem in this? That when it gets indexed, then there is a lot of risk of it. It is not due to security reasons, because you do not want to get these things ranked in Google, because these are for your private use, webmail, etc. So how to hide it from the search engine, you will learn this in this video. So first of all, you have to log in. So I'm already logged in here. This is my IP. I am the root user and here I open the terminal. Okay, after opening the terminal, what you have to do is log into Zimbra like this. So you have to copy and paste this command. So now you are logged in as Zimbra user. So what have you to do after that? Copy all these commands one by one and paste them here. Okay, I will copy the first command here and paste it. Okay. And after that, I will copy the second command here and paste it. And after that, paste the third command. Then the first one. You just have to copy and paste it. And after all this is done, now I have to restart it so that all the services get restarted again because the settings that you have just supplied. Then they will get applied correctly. So now what have I done? I have restarted this ZM box controller. So what will it do? It will stop the services and after that, it will start them again. Okay. So now our mailbox here has stopped and will restart. If you want to complete it, and here, you have to restart ZM mail or ZM control, then all the services will restart. So in this way, you can disable your index in Zimbra as a security reason. You can use this as well. In the last video, I told you how you can create a backup of multiple accounts, so you can see this here as well. You will find all the posts related to Zimbra here. That how you can create a backup of all the mailboxes, how you can restore it through script. I have put the code of the script here, so you can use that as well. So that's all in this video. Let's see in the next video a lot of other videos related to Zimbra. Until now, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching the videos.